What's up, everyone? I'm Sam with Solely Ryobi, and today we're going to be opening some boxes. But here's the thing. It's actually Christmas Eve, and Logan sent me these boxes, and I have no idea what's in them. So we're going to open them up. Like I said, I have no idea. Logan is in sunny Florida relaxing, so I'm here in Utah where it's nice and cold. So we're going to open these bad boys and see what's inside of them. Stay tuned. See what's in here. I'm excited. Fetcher sends me stuff that I have no idea. And I was like, what is it? He's like, you're just gonna have to open it, but film it while you're opening it. Oh my God! I had no idea. Sorry, the mic fell over. So I actually thought this was a snowblower, and it isn't. So I'm super excited about this. If I can even get it out. I'm going to have to put this on the floor. You guys, hold on. I know the suspense is killing everybody. Look at this! Holy crap, this is the all-new Ryobi Link rolling toolbox, guys. We have been wanting one of these for months. Ever since they announced that they're going to come out with these bad boys, we've been watching and going to Home Depot. I don't know how Logan got his hands on this. These suckers are so amazing. It's weatherproof, it's dustproof. You have a bit holder. You have a extra little box there with, you can move anywhere. So anyways, in this, you can basically build this out. So there's other things like, you know, multiple boxes that we're gonna get. It also hangs on the wall. So this is the main bottom. As you stack up more boxes, but we're constantly hauling our tools everywhere. So everything from when we're going to the cabin or dirt biking, you know, camping, whatever, tons of tools. And so having something that we can just pop on here and then take and put somewhere else, like on the wall, and it's so awesome. I'm so excited. Thanks, Logan. I had no idea. And so this isn't really going to be like a, hey, this is what it is, but it has an IP65 rating, so that's the waterproof and dust resistant. It can carry 200 pounds, and it's got impact resistance and all-terrain wheels that are 9 inches, so the bigger the wheel, the better it rolls over stuff. So you can get a whole bunch of stuff here, and we'll do a zoom in on it. You can get a tool crate, standard toolbox, medium toolbox, and then the rolling toolbox, which this is. And then lots of different options to be able to connect to this. And then it shows the whole link system, which in another video you saw that Logan bought that and put a whole wall up. You can use and put some of these toolboxes straight on the wall, which is really cool. Anyways, guys, let me know what you think. You excited for the Ryobi Link rolling toolbox? Comment below what you guys think. And I guess I need to actually open this. I forgot about that. Sorry. I don't know what's in this either. So this is the Ryobi Modular Store wall mount. So this is actually going to go on the wall. Merry Christmas to me from Logan. Thanks, Logan. All right, guys. Logan sent me some other stuff that goes with this as well. Ryobi Link. This is the shelf, so you can put your drills and everything under here. Then you got some tool organization there and stuff on top. So this connects straight with the link system, which not only did he send me a whole box of them, so I've got a whole box to get set up with the Ryobi Link system. And so I'm going to see how that goes, get it installed on the wall. And so thanks, Logan, for the early Christmas present. I'm really excited. These are awesome. We've been waiting for the whole link system. I got some spots on the wall that I need to put all my tools up on. And it's going to go over there, actually. And so stay tuned for that. We'll show a video of me installing it. But super excited. We got a whole link system. This is the beginning. I guess they don't have the whole boxes yet, but somewhere something is holding up, but we're gonna stack and get a whole toolbox for the rolling toolbox as well. So anyways, thanks guys. Stay tuned for more solely Ryobi content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Anyway, I'll have to edit that out. I don't know what I'm doing. Anyways, I'm super excited. These are